Want some? Hi, my name is Ellie, and today we're going to be cooking in the Ooni Koda 12 a yummy fennel salami pizza. Let's do it. So here we are, pizza has been made. 430, spot on. Give my pizza a wiggle. Yeah, so my Koda 12 is on fire today, so I've just turned the temperature down. I am gonna put this in now. We're ready to go. And it's a beautiful day today. It's cooking nicely. It's 430 degrees centigrade on the stone. This is an uni dough ball. Sourdough. Sourdough ball, and you can see it's cooking really fast, so I've got to be, even though it's on half, it's only on half, and I'm getting a super fast cook here. I'm just going to do a bit more there, back. Oh my gosh, we're done. Let's get this one here. You can see here it cooked the crusts super fast, and it cooked the salami really well, and the mozzarella is kind of just cooked-ish. You know, it's melted it. It's not browned the top of the mozzarella because it was such a fast cook. I can't believe how much those salami pieces have shrunk. This was before. And now, look at the size. I've never tried fennel salami before. Salami with fennel. Can't wait to try it out. Okay, where's my wheel? Here it is. Keep it on the bottom there. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It looks so good. Try this fennel salami. Oh, really nice. I mean, it might have been a different experience eating it without cooking it, but I like it crispy, so I like cooking it. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full, which is not flattering. So that's really nice. Crust. I've got some uni dough, which I like to use sometimes. Other times I use my dough. When I've got a lot in the freezer and it's taking up room, I kind of like want to use it and get quite a few. Very, very nice. See how long it will take. It's taking a while. I don't know whether to just help it along a bit. Glued. Oh. Do you want some? I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you did. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.